Hi everyone, welcome back to the Artistry Corner. Today I'm so excited to share my very first resin bloom coaster. This video is part of a Coasting Through the Week collaboration with some amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, so don't forget to check out their videos to see what they have created. These are the products I'll be using for this project. The Let's Resin mica powder in orange red, the Singwa mica powder in brown, the resin pigment paste from Let's Resin in white, the Mateo glitter set crushed crystal in brown. These are the two silicone molds I'll be using. They have the faceted edges. I love these molds. I'm also going to be adding the adhesive cork backing sheets to protect all surfaces. And I will be using, for the first time, the T-Expert Pure Glossy Epoxy Resin. I bought this for $9.99. It was a bundle kit. And let me show you what it brought. Okay, so it brought some molds, mica powders, the instructions, two cups, the pigments, three pairs of gloves, the smaller mixing cups, popsicle sticks, sandpaper, makey make sandpaper, and a little tiny skull. Adorable. Anyways, I did look it up to see if it was still available, and it is not. There is one for $19.99 with 4 molds and everything you see here, 4 molds and a jar of the foil flakes. But it's not bad for the price. Anyways, let me just clean up my desk and get all this ready and then mix the resin. Okay, so I mixed 2.5 drops of the white pigment with some of the Let's Resin orange red. I'm hoping to get the bloom out of that one. And then this one is like for the surrounding, the Sigwang brown, which I'm gonna put around it. Let me just make space here. Okay. I'm gonna wait a few more minutes and then I'm going to go ahead and pour the resin. Okay, I did let it warm up. It's at 35. That should be good. Okay, so I mixed this one with the 1.5 or 2.5 of the white. Oh gosh, did I forget? It looks good. Oh, I gotta put the little crush. See, I almost forgot. Should be okay. Okay, my first bloom attempt. Okay. And a napkin. That's one. This one's looking thicker. That was my bad, I guess. All right. This one looks more delicate. I don't know yet. Okay, I think that's it for now. And then once they bloom, I'm gonna put the brown top coat. I was gonna put it around it, but I decided to do a top coat of the brown. That way when I flip it over, we have a background and we can see the bloom better. If it does bloom. It might be a fail, I don't know. I've never done this before. So I've just been nervous about me doing one. But I guess I won't learn until I make it, right? Alright, so I will be back in a few hours, and for you it will be just a few seconds. So hang tight. Okay. This is the last coat. It looks very sheer, but we'll see how it came out. Let's do the back, which is the top, this top coat I'm gonna do now. Okay, they're ready. It's time to demold. Oh, I hope it come out nice. My first bloom. It's my first one. Oh, I love these molds. Oh, still a little soft. Came out beautiful. Looks delicate and soft. Let me zoom in a little bit. I love it. I think that was the thick one. This one's probably the one that was very sheer. I thought they were both sheer, but Oh yeah. Oh, this one has a little bit of a sink. But I'm pretty proud. I'm pretty proud. Oh wow. Alright, let's... I love the sparkle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch the other creators' collab videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I have lots of mixed media creative projects here at the Artistry Corner. Have a great night.